on, guys? It's your boy Brent.
My name is Lizelle, guys.
And welcome back to our channel, guys. So, for today's video, guys, we are going to react to one of your suggestions down in the comment section. We're going to take a look at a department or a part of the Indian Army, which is called the Rashtriya Rifles. Yes. So we did a little bit of research and we found out that the Rashtriya Rifles is a branch of the Indian Army under the authority of the Indian Ministry of Defense.
So wow, and this is recommended by a fellow subscribers. So thank you so much, guys, for recommending this video and sending us a link. So thank you so much.
That's right. But before we begin, guys, if you haven't already, you know the drill. Hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you'll be updated with our latest vlogs and reactions. And also, if you're gonna like this video by the end of it, let us know by hitting that like button and also in the comment section down below.
Yes, and yes, we have a little bit announcement, guys. So
so if you haven't seen our community posts yet, we're gonna make our reactions into parts for the week. So we're gonna do 5 reactions per the week, basically Monday to Friday, and then each day we'll have some reactions on different parts. We're not just gonna throw in just army stuff like for the whole 3 days. We're gonna make it by schedule. So if you want to take a look at the schedule, see what you like, then check our post in the community section.
Yes, guys. So we are super excited to it, guys. So without further ado, guys, let's get started.
Victor Force. Use headphones for the better experience.
You don't have headphones.
This is a live action.
Oh, this is a live.
Yes.
I see.
This is a real footage.
Yeah, that's right. By the way, you guys have been mentioning that most of the videos are actually real time video footages. So we didn't know that. So thank you so much for clarifying that, guys. Yes, if you have other clarifications on our comments, then please let us know. We really do appreciate it, guys.
Won't even catch my breath, and I know the weight of the world can crush my chest.
By the way, I would just like to point out that since you mentioned that these are actually real action footage, kudos to the videographer, man.
Yes.
Kudos to the ones who take the videos. I mean,
he or she also risked her or him lives to,
to make this video actually pretty good, man. I mean, that's why we thought it was just training simulation, because of the quality of the videos that they produce. It's like in the movies, man, or the documentaries that you've seen on Discovery Channel. I mean, that is so cool, man.
Salute to you, man.
See what I mean for about the production? By the way, we ain't gonna get in trouble with with YouTube with the music, right? With all the cursing and stuff.
I hope YouTube will not copyright. Oh my god.
I'm not worried about the cover. I'm more worried about the cursing in the song.
Oh!
Whoa, wait, what?
Whoa! He killed the guy.
Oh man, I'm losing it. Tribute to him.
The tribute of them who died?
Probably. Who knows?
Oh,
Wow.
okay. Wow, that was a very, very goosebumps, guys. So goosebumps guaranteed, really guaranteed. Because
Man, I mean,
it's so real, real in action.
how do you sorry, what can you compare it to? I feel like there's sort of a comparison in each department, but I mean, wow, they mostly, I don't know. Let me know if the Rashtriya rifles mostly work the borders of India, probably.
I think so.
Yeah, based on the video, but I'm probably wrong. Let me know in the comment section.
Let
down
us
below.
know, guys.
Yes.
So wow.
Well, wow, amazing video, and again, like I've said earlier, just the footage, the raw footage of, the combat and just getting that. I mean, kudos to the videographer of this, man, and to all the videographers of the armed forces. That's not an easy task.
Yes, you're right. That's not very, very easy. It's not
That is
easy.
wonderful, and this is a wonderful video as well, man.
Yes.
So kudos to the one who made this, man.
Wow.
But anyways, guys, that was our reaction to the Rashtriya Rifles video. The Rashtriya Rifles in action.
Yes,
Kashmir.
guys. Oh,
Wow.
wow.
Really amazing, guys. Really amazing. Yeah, a lot of you guys have been recommending some Indian Army stuff, and every time that we react to it, I mean, we're mostly speechless by the end of it.
Yes.
Can't do anything. We can't say anything. I mean,
Me too.
those were
I can
just
say
good.
anything because wow. I
Uh,
can only
you can
say
you can really
wow.
see the reason why India is. Where are they now currently? I think the fourth, right? Fourth strongest.
Fourth strongest.
Yeah, fourth most powerful armies in the world.
Yes.
Yeah. So, man, that's gonna rise. That's gonna rise soon, man. But anyways, guys, that was our reaction. If you liked our video, guys, let us know by hitting that like button and hitting that commenting in the comment section down below. And if you haven't already, if you're at this point of the video, man, what are you doing? Hit that subscribe button and that notification bell as well.
Yes, guys. So thank you once again, guys. So see you next
Time.
time.
Bye. What are we doing?